This is the tutorial and slow play along for the easy version of Sunny Afternoon by the Kinks, which I love this song. What I like about this song is there are so many different things that can be done for different variety of players, whether you're brand new or you're an advanced player. This is a song that meets for everybody. So let's break it down and talk it through. So the roadmap is it starts all the way from the intro all the way through to the ending riff. No repeats or going back and circling back. It is in the same key as the Kinks do it. So if you said, Alexa, play Sunny Afternoon, I'm surprised she didn't come on, that the song would play in the same key so you can play along to the Kinks. The chords are pretty easy. Beginning chords, D minor, C, F, A, A7, D, D7, G7, C7, and then this optional C augmented. That C plus means C augmented. And that chord is played with I put my pinky where my C chord normally is, and then put my index finger up for the top fret. It's just a cool chord. And it's in brackets that have the little pointies to specify that if you don't play that chord, no harm done. C7 is still playing and it just kind of blends with it. It just kind of makes it cool sounding. But if you don't play it, it's no harm, no foul. So the chords are easy. The count, let's talk about the count. The opening riff, each of those, we'll come back to the riffs. Let's start with the first verse, the Taxman's Taken. So each of those chords get 4 counts. So it would be D minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4. Just thumb this through with me as a walkthrough. F, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, A7, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, D minor, and then D, 2, 3, 4. So there's 2 verses. The first one starts with the Taxman's Taken. The other one starts with My Girlfriend's Run Off. So those are exactly the same count. The choruses, which there are 3 that either start with Help Me or Save Me. Let's count those through. So the first D7, I think the first line and part of the second line get 8 counts. So D7, 1, D7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C7, 2, 3, 1, unless you want to do that optional chord right there. And F gets 1, 2, 3, 4, A7 gets 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor gets 2, 3, 4, G7 gets 2, 3, 4, D minor gets 2, 3, 4. This G7 gets 1, 2, C7 gets 1, 2. So those 2 get 2 counts. And then Lazen starts again with Lays 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 3, 4. Now 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so that's the counts. The strum, I use I call it my row, row, row your boat. And it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. So let's just try a verse, the first verse, and see how that sounds. Are you ready? With just that strum. The tax man's taken all my dough. Up, down, left me in my stately home, lazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can sail my yacht. He's taken everything I've got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Up, down, 1, 2, 3, up, down. And people ask, do I have to follow your strum? The most important thing is that you get 4 counts to the measure. But if you notice on that strum, I emphasize the up a little heavier, so it sounds a little harder strum. And so that, to me, that's just how I can hear the Kinks playing the song. So that's the strum. We'll practice that as we play the slow play along. Let's look at, there's 2 different riffs. The riffs that starts the intro, which is played throughout, and then the closing riff. So the intro riff that starts with 5 5 5 5 3 3. Put your starting on your A string. You start 5th fret, and you can start with your pinky or your ring finger. Pick it 2 times. Go down to 3, 1 2. Go down to 2 2. 1 1 0 0. Now on your E string, starting with your 3rd fret. And I like to use my ring finger so that I can get to my 1 quickly. 3 3 1 1 0 0. And I'm sorry, baritones, but you always know that you figure these things out on your own, right? So that intro riff is played through 2 times. So it's 5 5 3 3 2 2 1 1 0 0 3 3 1 1 0 0 5 3 3 2 2 1 1 0 0 3 3 1 1 0 0. So every time that riff is played, it is played through 2 times. And for those that you want to play the chords, the count is D minor for 4, 1 2 3 4, A for 4 plus 2, 1 2 3 1 2, A7 for 3 4, back to D minor, 2 3 4, A for 4 plus 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2, A7 3 4. There you go. So every time you see that chord in green on the sheet, that's when you start that riff. So instead of playing the D minor, if that's a hard thing for you to do, this riff is actually pretty easy, and it's a fun little intro riff for those of you that are just learning how to tablature. That's a fun little riff to do. And I've not seen too many people have a struggle with it as long as you're going slow enough to learn it. And let's see, that's that riff. The ending riff is, as you're coming off that last line, in the summertime, and then you hit your D chord. And basically, you are picking the D chord. So you've got your fingers making your D chord, strings 2, 3, and 4 on the 2nd fret, and you're picking the C string and then the open A, coming back to the G string and then back to the A. As long as you're making that D chord shape, you're all ready to pick that. So just stay right there. And this little riff actually sounds better with a low G for the G string. For baritone, it's a little different. I think you're up like something like this, up in this position. But I think if you bar the 2, put your finger, I'm talking the baritones for a minute, bar the 2, put your middle finger on 3, I think, and then it's the 5. You can, that's the wrong key, but that to give you the shape of how that would work for the baritones. That's the riff. So let's play this song kind of slowly. So starting with the intro. Are you ready? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, 5, 3. The taxman's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home, lazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can't sail my yacht, he's taken everything I've got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime, my girlfriend's run off with my car and gone back to her ma and pa, telling tales of drunkenness and cruelty. And now I'm sitting here, sipping at my ice-cold beer. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Help me, help me, help me sail away, or give me 2 good reasons why I ought to stay. 'Cause I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. Oh, save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. I lost track of how many I've done. In the summertime, in the summertime. Let's go to the D. And if you don't want to play that riff, you would just strum the D chord one time. So you noticed I mixed up my strum a little bit different times, and that's okay, as long as just feel it. Have a good time with it. So I think it's a fun song. I'll do the harmony in a separate video so these videos don't get too long. This one's already at 14 minutes. So I'll see you in the harmony video, and then I'll do a separate video for the more extensive version of this song. All right, have fun.